Hey there, I'm Chris,
And I'm Ben.
and we're with Swartz Restoration. We're here in Bluffton, Ohio, to let you know that if you experience any sort of water damage in your home or business, we're here for you. Maybe it's a leaky faucet that saturates your floor. Maybe it's a water supply line that breaks on your dishwasher or your washing machine and it seeps down into the basement. Maybe it's your sump pump backs up. Or even a storm may roll through the area and leave your house with all sorts of water damage. We're here to help you dry out, clean up, and rebuild after the fact.
Absolutely. You know, we've been in business for over 36 years, and it's always been our goal, our heart, our mission to care for people that are going through water damage, fire damage, storm damage, any kind of disaster at their home or their business. It's always been our goal, our heart, to care for them through that entire process. So if you find yourself going through one of these situations at your home or your business, feel free to call us at 419-331-1024 for 24-hour service, or reach us on our website at swartzrestoration.com.